Want to maximize your home's appeal in every season? Well, you're in the right place. Let's start with spring, that season of fresh beginnings. What better way to highlight your home than with floral landscaping? Picture this: vibrant tulips, radiant daffodils, and lush greenery that create an inviting atmosphere. It's a subtle yet powerful way to impress potential buyers. As we move into the sunny months, it's time to host the ultimate summer open house. Think about setting the stage on your patio with comfortable seating, refreshing drinks, and soft twinkling fairy lights. It's about crafting a summer paradise that buyers can't resist. Then comes the beauty of autumn. Now's the time to cozy up your curb appeal. A rustic wreath on your door, some tasteful pumpkins on the porch, perhaps even a few strands of golden fairy lights. All these elements can make your home feel warm and inviting, just right for the season. As winter rolls in, the goal is to create a winter wonderland at home. Imagine the glow of twinkling lights against the snow, the crackle of a fireplace, the scent of fresh pine and cinnamon. It's all about evoking a sense of warmth and coziness that buyers will fall in love with. But remember, every season sells. Staging your home for success all year round can make all the difference. Switch up your decor, play with textures and colors, and don't be afraid to get creative. And of course, it's always helpful to get some insider tips. Real estate experts have a wealth of knowledge about selling in different seasons. Listen to their advice, learn from their experiences, and use their insights to your advantage. So, which season do you think is the best for selling? There's no right or wrong answer. It's all about understanding your home, knowing your market, and using the seasons to your advantage. If you're selling a house and need expert guidance, don't hesitate to reach out. The Gurpreet Gatehora Real Estate Team at RE/MAX River City is here to help. Dial 780-951-6530 for more property selling tips. Remember, no matter the season, we're here to make your home the hottest on the market. Thank you for tuning in. And until next time, happy selling.